Hey Mocha gang, it's your girl Mocahantas and boom, ho, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how I made my new business card that looks like a credit card, so it's kind of cool. So first we're going to start off with a plain image and then we're just going to customize it to 1050 by 600. I will put that on the screen. If you want to change the color, you will click on color, then use and save. I'm keeping mine white because my logo is pink. Okay, then we're going to add a photo. Well, it says add image, and I'm going to add my logo and put it up in the right hand corner. Make sure you leave a little space because of Instaprint. Don't play that. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to add my tagline at the top. So make sure you use the tagline for your brand. This is all about making it your own. So this is my tagline. Make sure you put your tagline at the top. Then I'm just going to go in and change my font. Once I choose my font, I'm going to go in and change the color. And then I'm going to size it, make it smaller to fit in. I made a mistake and put a dot in there, so make sure you see what you're doing, sis. So yes, after that, I'm going to add 2 items. I'm going to add an item. I'm going to add 2 circles. So once you add the circles, you're going to go in and change the color on the circles to your logo. My logo is pink, white, and black. So I'm going to change my dots to pink and black since my card is already white. Then I'm just going to size them, make them smaller so I can fit them in the bottom right hand corner and make them into like a credit card logo. So I'm just going to be moving them up and down and, trying to get them the sizing right. So after that, once you get the sizing right, you're going to go to add text and you're just going to add the name of your business. Mine is BOUJEE, of course. So then I'm just going to change the font and I'm going to change the color to make sure you can see it over top of the circle. So you have to keep that in mind. I had to change the color. And then I'm just going to add that over top of my logo to make it look like a credit card logo. So yes. And I'm just going to make it bigger, smaller, size it. Make sure it fits in the middle. So just make sure you line it up right. Then after that, I'm going to name my card. So just pick a name for your card. I made the name of this card up. I think you should make the name of your card up so it can fit your business, you feel me? So you can say VIP card. You can say whatever you want to say, you feel me? It's all up to you. So yes, mine is BOUJEE Elite card. And yes, you're just going to change the color, add the stroke, and then you're going to add the name of your card in the left hand bottom corner. So yes, now we're going to go in and we're going to add our numbers in. And you can put whatever numbers you want to as long as it's 16 digits. My numbers mean something on my card, so yes. Then we're just going to change it to the Arial font. And then change it black so you can see it. Then we're going to add text and we're going to do the valid through, and then you can just put a date. My date is kind of it's not going to expire anytime soon. So make sure you put a date that don't expire anytime soon. Then you just want to make it really small and try to fit it at the bottom in between the name of the card and the logo. Next, we're just going to go to Google and search PNG SIM card and just save that. And then we're just going to add image and add our SIM card. Then we're going to make it smaller. Then we're going to go and line everything else up. Make some things bigger, make some things smaller. And yeah, just fix everything that's on our card now. And also, if you didn't know, you can click on move to move it for you and you just push it down. But now we're just going to save the front of our card, and now we have to work on the back of our card. Make sure you save the front of your card, sis, because it will disappear. It will disappear on you. Now we're just going to start working on the back of our card. We're going to click on our tagline, and we're going to change that to your website. Then after that, we're just going to start deleting everything on our card. That's easier, so we don't have to go back and start over. So yes, just delete everything on your card that you're not keeping, and you'll see what I'll have left. Then next, we're going to go in and add an item, and it's going to be a square. Then we're going to change that square to black, and then we're going to go in and make it really thin so it could be the stripe on the back of our credit card. Okay, honey. So yes, just change the width and move it all the way over. It doesn't matter if it's on the outside because you can't see it. Then you're just going to put your website on the top of that. Then next, I'm going to go in and change the font on mine because I didn't like that font, so I went in and changed the font. Then once you get that lined up, you're just going to go in and take whatever you want the back of your card to say, like what you call your brand or whatever. So I just put Bougie Gang, and I used the same text that my card was. And then I'm just going to move the valid over because we're going to change that to the CVV number. Okay. Then I'm going to go to add item again, and then I'm going to add another square because we're going to need a pink square for where I sign my name. And then you pretty much just do the same thing you did for your credit card stripe. You're just going to make this one a little bit smaller and line it up next to the CVV number because the CVV number is going to be right next to where you signed your name. Then add text and add your name. Change the font and make it look like it's cursive. And yes, I changed mine to a dark pink so it can match my website, and it's starting to look like the back of a credit card. So I'm just going to make my CVV number a little bit bigger. Yes, and we're just going to line it up. Then I'm just going to add text and type in everything that we sell. So Bougie hair, lip gloss, bags, accessories, whatever you want to put on yours, whatever you sell, add that at the top. And you can use symbol to put little cute symbols in there next to it. Then we're just going to go ahead and make that bigger and add it over top of the website at the top of the card. Make sure you leave just a little bit of space on the ends because Vistaprint do not play that. They will cut it off. So yes, make sure you leave a little bit of space. And just change the font and line it up. Then at the bottom, I'm just going to add where you can contact us, my Gmail, and I'm also going to add my Instagram. Then after that, we're just going to line it up to the left, and we're going to go in and change the colors on it. You change the color by clicking on style. Then I'm just going to line it up, change my font. Make it smaller, make it bigger. Then I'm going to go to Google, and I'm going to type in Instagram PNG logo black. So you can get the black so you can see it, so it can match your card. And I'm also going to do the same thing for email PNG logo, black. Then after you save it, you're going to go back to font tone. Then you're going to go to add image, and you're just going to add your Instagram image. Then you're going to make it smaller. You might have to move it to make it smaller, just so you can line it up on the left hand bottom side. And you're also going to do the same for email. after you line it up, you're just going to go in and, finish lining everything else up. Make sure everything is in the right place. So I changed my font one more time, and then I realized that my stuff was in the wrong place, so I switched it around. Yes, then we're going to add contact us here. Place that over top of it, and sis, that is your business card. Okay, for more videos like this, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Here's the final look.